Kenya Railways Corporation is finalising construction of the 13 new commuter railway stations in a plan that is set to increase passenger numbers from the current 20,000 all the way up to 120,000 by the end of the year. Transport Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen says that the project includes new rolling stock, of which 20 new coaches have already been procured for the modernisation program targeting the Nairobi Metropolitan area.
The Nairobi commuter rail system is part of a sustainable urban development plan that seeks to improve transport services and mobility within the Nairobi Metropolitan area. The government says the plan is on course and will see a drastic increase in railway capacity by the end of this year.
Our plan is to make sure that it is not enough just to build the station, as you can see. We want then to ensure that there is access to the station. The thing that will be the game changer is to make sure that the ticketing system is digitized and does not lead to pilferage of resources, so that then the railway network can at least support itself to a certain level.
We have rehabilitated all our coaches in our workshops, and currently I think now we are almost now going to around 300 to 400 coaches distributed in the network. So it is about the demand.
The new railway stations, which are expected to be ready for use by October this year, include Mlolongo, Kitengela, Lukenya, Mutindwa, Kariobangi, Kenyatta University, Gitambaya, Ruiru, Aviation, Kibera, Satellite, Mutwene, Togoto and Gitaro. The project will also involve modernizing the 58-kilometer railway between Nairobi and Thika.
One of the discussions I will be having with Kenya Railway Corporation after here is to ask whether we can do our in the other areas, because the Kumi project is already going to start with the 58 kilometers of access to Thika and that direction. We also have to think of whether we should not use our internally generated resources or the resources given to KRC, if we can save a little bit of it and do our roads ourselves.
Murkomen says the new railway line connecting Miritini SGR terminus to Mombasa city centre is in the final stages of completion and will be ready for use from September this year. Alan Auko, Prime Edition.